Hello traders, welcome back. In this video, we are going to analyze an intraday trade that I took today. This is a good example of how to use technical analysis with a solid trading plan to identify high probability trades and to execute them. So this is the screenshot of the trade report. The stock was TVS Motors and I was expecting a bearish day for the stock, and it was a bearish day for TVS Motors. So I short sell it below 1010, and we will see why I selected the level 1010 and how I selected the stock TVS Motor for the day. Our target was 1000, near to 1000.4, but the target is not achieved. End of the day, we got squared off near to 1004.8. Okay, and our stop loss was 1014.5. So it was like 1:2 risk to reward trade. Even though the target is not achieved, the stock selection as well as the trade plan was good, the analysis was good. So that's why I am sharing this video. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a good combination of stock selection analysis, proper technical analysis, proper trading plan. So it will be useful for serious day traders like me. So now we will look at the stock and we will see how I determine the stock and how I mark the levels to trade. Before that, if you are new to the channel, subscribe us. We will make videos on good proper trading setups, and we will make sure that the viewers understand how we made the trade and what were the reasons behind it. So that's it. Now let's get into the video. First of all, how I selected a TVS Motors. Okay, this is a chart of TVS Motors. This is 5 minutes chart. Let me make into 50 minutes chart. Okay, now we can see a broad picture of TVS Motors. It was actually on a downtrend, right? It was moving down, and for the last couple of days it was consolidating. Okay, so that's the reason why I selected TVS Motors. Okay, I think everybody knows how the market works, right? There will be days of movement, then there will be consolidation, then there will be breakouts. It can be lower side or it can be towards the upper side. Okay, so our work is we have to find stocks that had some momentum. Then currently they are in consolidation phase. Then we will mark particular levels and we will wait for breakouts. Okay, so that's how we trade. So I think now everybody understand why I selected TVS Motors. It was on a downtrend, and for the last couple of days it was consolidating. So that's the reason why I selected TVS Motors. Now let's zoom in and see how I mark levels to trade for the day. Let me move to 5 minutes chart. Okay, so this is the chart of last 2 days. If we cross check it, we can see that the low of last 2 days, I will mark it, the low of last 2 days, right? They were almost on a same line, right? I will mark it. So this is that particular level. So this is that particular level. Okay, for the last 2 days the stock was respecting this particular level, right? It tested this level the day before yesterday. From there it bounced back again. Yesterday it came to this level. From there it bounced back. So it shows that this particular level is very strong. Okay, so let me extend this level to the present day. Okay, now what we have here, we have a good level of support. So we all know that once a support or a resistance is broken, then there will be good movement. Okay, so that's the logic of our entry. We entered exactly below this support. Okay, exactly below the support. I choose the target near to 1000 because 1000 is an odd number, right? So that was a simple logic of selecting the target. It came close to 1000, but it didn't take our target. Anyway, it's fine. Our analysis was right? And about our SL, it was like the previous swing high. I consider this particular candle and I place the SL below that candle. So it was 1:2 plus risk to reward ratio. Okay, so that's the logic of selecting the stock and selecting this particular level. So it was a good proper breakout trade. And as I mentioned earlier, a good example of how to use technical analysis along with a good trade plan for finding high probability trades. Okay. So I hope everybody understood how we selected the stock and how we mark the level and the criteria we look for the entry and exit. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe us. We will provide contents like this which will explain proper trading setups. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also like the video. Thank you.